Greetings everybody. Ek is hier vir iemand te bemoedig uit die woord van Job 22 verse 28. The scripture says, this is a profound and a prolific scripture that I want to encourage somebody out there listening to this that's going to have time to watch this. The Bible said in Job 22 verse 28, you shall declare a thing and it shall be established to you. You may be in the middle of a storm, but your words still carry power. Come on, somebody. You don't need to wait for clarity or calm or comfort. Start declaring God's truth. The atmosphere doesn't shift after a storm. Come on, somebody. Die storm is nie oor nie. After the storm, it's a shift when you speak faith in the middle of a storm. Ek weet nie wat sy deur gaan nie, maar die is vir iemand. Listen to this. Speak life over your situation. Speak peace in your mind. Speak healing over your body. I don't know what somebody's going through. Even when you don't feel like it, even when you don't see it, even when it hurts, speak it. Your declaration is in a dark, often doorway, but your breakthrough is on its way. I'm here to tell somebody, no matter what they say, Job 22 verse 28, be blessed.